EngageBay Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. EngageBay is a comprehensive marketing automation tool designed to help small businesses, startups, and entrepreneurs streamline their marketing, sales, and customer service efforts in one integrated platform. With EngageBay, you get a rich set of features, including email marketing, CRM, landing page builders, lead scoring, marketing automation workflows, and social media integration, making it a powerful yet cost-effective solution. The standout feature is its intuitive drag-and-drop automation builder that allows you to set up workflows like lead nurturing, customer onboarding, or drip campaigns with minimal effort. For email marketing, EngageBay provides beautifully designed templates and robust personalization options, ensuring your messages resonate with your audience. The CRM seamlessly connects to these tools, enabling you to track customer interactions, manage deals, and maintain a clear pipeline overview, all from one dashboard. EngageBay's user interface is straightforward, which makes it accessible even for non-technical users. During my experience, setting up campaigns was simple, with step-by-step guidance and templates that save time. The tool's segmentation capabilities are another highlight, allowing you to target specific customer groups based on behavior, demographics, or custom attributes, enhancing the relevance of your marketing efforts. Analytics and reporting are equally impressive, offering real-time insights into campaign performance, click-through rates, and conversion metrics, enabling data-driven decision-making. One of the key advantages of EngageBay is its affordability compared to larger tools like HubSpot or Marketo, without compromising on essential features. It's ideal for smaller teams that want enterprise-level capabilities on a budget. However, it's worth noting that while EngageBay excels at versatility, advanced users may find some of its customization options limited compared to pricier alternatives. In summary, EngageBay delivers exceptional value for small and growing businesses seeking an all-in-one solution for marketing automation, CRM, and customer service. Its ease of use, robust feature set, and competitive pricing make it a standout choice for teams looking to enhance efficiency and drive growth without the hefty price tag. If you're looking for a reliable marketing automation tool, EngageBay is definitely worth considering.